Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel Ray and it's good to have you. So we are in a different spot in my house. As you can tell, we are actually in my kitchen. Let me see if I can make this less dimmer, but I think it's gonna be really bright. Okay, I think that's as dim as it's gonna go. Like I said, I'm used to being in my beauty room where I have the perfect lighting in there and I'm actually comfortable. I feel very uncomfortable right now because I'm doing this video in a different room and it's not in my how do you say it, my comfort zone. So I'm going to be doing a video on my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May. So as you've already seen the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May on my channel already, that was a mystery bag. So I purchased that one aside from the monthly one. So for those of you that don't know what Ipsy is a monthly subscription. So they have a $12 one. They also have the $12 one has 5 sample sizes, sometimes full sizes. So like full sizes, like full size eyeshadow brushes, face brushes, masks, like face masks. I don't think other than those are the only ones that I can remember. Oh, like lip balms, those are full size. Other than that, you get deluxe sizes. So you get deluxe sizes, sample sizes, things like that. And then you have a second tier, which is a $25 tier. And that one has 5 full-size products. And then they have the final tier, which is $55 every quarter. So every 3 months. And that one is curated by a celebrity. So the very first 2, because this is going to be the 3rd one in August. Or it might be in June. It might be in June. I don't know. It's in one of those, but it's quarterly. If you're interested in signing up, it'll be in the link down below in my description box. Anyway, so for that one, you get, I think it's like 5 full-size products or 7 full-size products, and then it has other ones. So it's so many products are curated by the curator, which is a celebrity. So Patrick Ta was the first one. The second one was Khloe Kardashian, which was just previously last month. And then this next one's going to be Halsey. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this bag. This is the $12 bag. It comes in a bag like this. And the bag for this month is this really pretty blush pink. It has peony flowers on it. Very pretty. The zipper and tag is a rose gold and it has Ipsy on there. Very cute. I love this bag. So for those of you that are new, I love these bags because I'm able to use them in different ways. So my purse doesn't have stuff rambling cluttered in my purse. And each like category has its own bag. So if I want one for my face mask, then I have one for my face mask. If I have one for my lips specifically, then I have one for my lips. And then like my touch-up face powders and stuff like that I'm using. Also for like when it's that time of the month, I have a specific bag for it. And you can also use them for change and just simple things. You can also use these as gifts and, you know, fill them up yourself and give them out as gifts. So in here is a card, and this is the theme for this month is flower power for the month of May. So of course Mother's Day was in May. It says the brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild in color, flex your glowy skin, know how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. So it's very cute. I love the pastel colors. It's I don't know if it's gonna show up, but they have like a lavender and the pink and the white, and it's very cute. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the first product in this, which is gonna be by Basic Beauty. This is a smooth and blur primer. So this is good for if you have large pores. This is going to help blur them and kind of like fill in the like the pores, so that whenever you go in with your foundation, you have a beautiful smooth base and foundation to apply your products on there. So this is in the shade Translucent. I always do that, you guys. One way or another, sorry, the cardboard. I always have to frabble my words. So this is what the component looks like. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. So it is sealed. Let me see if I can, with my nails, you guys. Okay, got it. I'm gonna go ahead and, okay, so this is clear and it's actually very jelly formed. Okay, this feels like a water base. Like, it has that water-based texture. So it does have a little bit of a thickness to it, but not so much. Not so much. It does have a little bit of a, oh, it does have a grip. It has a grip to it. So that's perfect for your foundation. I love a primer that has a grip to it where my foundation is able to stick to it. That's something that I do look forward to in a primer. I've never seen it in a, how do you say it? Like a blur primer, like a one that's to fill in the pores. I've never came across one that is sticky like that. Maybe the Touch and Sew. One of the ones from the Touch and Sew. It's the Ice Sherbet one from Touch and Sew. So this is the Basic Beauty Translucent Primer. This difference between a really good makeup day and an amazing one. The super powered primer, the clear gel formula can be used on all skin tones to blur imperfections, smooth rough texture, minimize pores, and lock your look into place for hours. It says smooth a thin layer over clean skin and let it set for 15 seconds before applying makeup. The full size of this retails for $16. So I think this would work really good on all skin types. So if you have combination skin, I think this is going to work really good. And I think it's going to be, I have combination skin, and I think it'll also work really good with oily skin. Because I don't feel a slip to it. I don't feel it greasy. It's not greasy at all. It's actually absorbed into my skin very fast. So I don't know if you can see, but it's in my skin. Let's move on to the next product. The next product is by Sugar. And this is a, I love the packaging. It's purple. I love purple. This is actually a blush. Okay, I don't have a blush in this shade. This is more of a dark mauve tone. It looks touched. I didn't touch that. That's weird. I've never received a product that looks like it's been touched. I don't know if we're going to be... Oh, there it is. You can see it. Not from Ipsy. Anyways, we're going to go... Oh, that's a very smooth formula. Okay. So there's that. I hate that I'm not in my filming space because the glare and just the quality of this video is going to drive me up the walls. So I don't know if this is going to make it. I might not make it. But the fact that I'm trying to get it out as fast as I can is the only problem that I'm having. So this is the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Blush in Peach Pink. It says the easiest way to take your complexion from blah to brilliant. A dusting of this glow-boosting blush on your cheeks. The lightweight, velvety formula goes on super smooth. That's no streaks or caking. And the pretty pink color instantly wakes up your face. Use a blush brush to lightly tap color onto your cheeks and then blend using soft swirling motions. The full size retails for $9.99. And I mean, this looks... It's about the size of my palm. So I would consider this a full size. Maybe they're bigger, but I think that's... I very rare hit pan on a blush, so I'm okay with that size. The next is by Hanley. This is a Kooky lip balm in coconut pear. So this is what this looks like. This minty balm is made with coconut and kukui nut oil straight from Hawaii to moisturize, nourish, and smooth your lips with every swipe. The cruelty-free natural formula is made without unhealthy ingredients like parabens or phthalates. Swipe it on alone, under lip colors, or mix with your favorite lipstick to create a sheer stain. This retails for $6, and this is a full size. You can smell the coconut. the texture is really, really good. So a chapstick is more thicker. This is very thin, but it also is like thin and thick at the same time. It's a beautiful texture. I actually love the formula of it. I recommend it. This is the coconut pear. I do have a couple of items from Hanley, and it's another lip balm, but that one's more liquidy compared to this one, as it's in a balm form. So, and that one's in a tube. I have 2 more products left. So the next product is by Origins. This is the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. This is what this looks like. It's a little deluxe size. It says, activate charcoal mask to clear pores. Clogged pores, you met your match. This detoxifying mask hero ingredients is ultra absorbent charcoal, which acts like a magnet to suck up the dirt, oil, and dead skin cells that get stuck in your pores. The result, skin that's smooth, clear, and less prone to breakouts. Apply a generous layer to clean dry skin and leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse well. This is a deluxe size. The retail for a full size is going to be $27, and I think the full size is about this big. So compared to this one, it's going to be a little bit bigger for $27. Okay, the last and final product is this. This is a hand cream. It's a Sela Creme Rose. Every time you slather on this velvety cream, you treat your hands and body to intense moisture thanks to antioxidants, capicue, butter, and I can't say that word. Oil, plus the sweet jasmine, peach, and rosewater scent is so refreshing for spring and summer. Massage it onto your hands, arms, legs, and chest as often as desired. This is a deluxe sample, and the retail is $32 for a full size. So this is a great deluxe size. The fact that it's like the size of my palm and a little bit bigger, I'm excited. So this is going to be thrown in my purse because right now I'm carrying around a big Victoria's Secret one. Okay. So this is what this looks like. That smells really good. That smells really, really good. Okay. It has jasmine. It has sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells really, really, really good. I love the packaging. It's very cute. It's purple, lavender, of course, my favorite. Overall, I'm excited. $12 for a full-size lip balm. I want to consider this blush a full size. We have a deluxe size primer, base primer. I hate this lighting. And then we have also a deluxe size face mask. Overall, I'm very excited. I am happy about this bag. I was kind of like, didn't know about it. But I really do like this bag. Especially the bag itself. Very, very cute. So, you guys let me know down below, if you can, in the comment section, what you think about this bag. Did you receive this bag? If you are interested in picking up this bag, I'm pretty sure they have on their website, they have bags that you can go back to. Like, sometimes, if I'm not mistaken, they have like one for May, one for June, one for July in the past, and you can pick it up if you want to do individual. But if you want to go ahead and get the subscription, I honestly think it's really well worth the $12 each month. I enjoy it so much. I would hate to say goodbye to this because it's so good, in my opinion. You get to try different products and you don't have to bite the bullet and pay such a high price in products when you can just try it out, see if you like it. And then if you are really going to dedicate yourself to it, then you can go ahead and purchase the product on your own. Overall, I want to thank you all for being here. I want to wish you a beautiful, amazing day wherever you are. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It would really help my channel, and I would love for you to be a part of the Raise family. On my channel, I do a lot of beauty. So I go over things that I've tried and tested, and I give you my reviews. I also do eyeshadow looks. I also have like get readies with me. There's just my whole entire channel is not only based on beauty. So it's open, so it's beauty and more. So I left it open so that I can do multiple different things. If I want to go ahead and do cooking for one day, then I can do cooking for one day. If I want to do beauty, then I can do beauty. I have not expanded my channel yet to that. I do want to do that in the future. I also would like to do vlogging one day, which I have not done. I did do something different on my channel, which was a little haul, a mini haul. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and find it in my videos down below. But like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and don't forget to hit the like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell. That way each time I upload a video, you'll be notified each time. So you guys, I am happy that I'm able to get this out already, because like I said, it is a whole month late just about, because usually I tend to get my bags by the 15th or the 16th. That's usually where I get mine. Like I said, I'm going to leave in the link down in the description so that you can go ahead and sign up if you're interested. And yes, so I'll see you on the next one, you guys. And I'm so happy to be here on camera with you guys. I just feel so comfortable in front of the camera. I don't know, it just puts me in a different mood, and I have kind of been down lately because of some news that I had received. So I hadn't really filmed anything. I haven't put anything up on my channel, like other than my subscription, So yeah, for those of you that are wondering about my nails, I do not get my nails done. I do buy press-ons. I use Kiss, and my nails will last me about 2 weeks, if not 3 weeks. Sometimes I have to take them, most of the time, majority of the time, I have to take them off myself. So this is like a really pretty periwinkle blue. So I think they were like $4. But the trick to get your nails to stay on like this is make sure you use like a nail polish remover, like an acetone kind of, to take out the oils from your skin. And I kind of buff my nails with a nail filer, just to buff them a little bit to get the shine off and to give it a little bit of a grip to it. So when the glue goes on and the nail goes on, it actually has a great foundation to stick on. I don't go too much, and that's why I stopped doing my nails in the salon, is because they take so much of the nail off, and it thinnens my nails so much that my nails get so brittle, and by the time they come back to life again, it just takes so much time. So what I usually do is, like, I just do that little routine. I just take the grip off, like the shine off my nails with the a nail filer, and then I go in with my glue. You can also, like I said, go in with an alcohol just to take out more of the oils. And yeah, that's what I do. So, like I said, I hope you have an amazing, wonderful, beautiful day. There it is. The first one didn't sound right. It's because I always do the same, how do you say it? Like the same outro each time. Amazing, beautiful, wonderful day. But yes, so I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope to be on the lookout for my premium for BoxyCharm. I honestly think this is going to be the last month that I do purchase BoxyCharm. I'm going to take a break from it. I'm going to just enjoy the things that I do have. If I do, then you'll see it on my channel. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one, you guys. I know that I've already, how do you say it? Past my outros trying to say goodbye. But yes, I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Bye.